Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add text in Shotcut. First thing you need to do, make sure you have your clip in here, so go over to playlist and drag and drop your clip on your timeline. Second thing, in order to add text to your video, you have to go over to filters, then click this plus icon right here, and make sure your clip is selected, then click it, and search for text. As you can see, choose this text rich, so click on it, and now as you can see this box will appear and you can basically click here and start typing. So I will type here fashion, and as you can see you have a lot of options right here. You can actually change the font right here. It will pop up this window where you can choose any font that you will really like, and as you can see you have a lot to choose from here, and choose also how big you want the font to be. So I will select 36, click OK, and then you can position it. And also when you drag this circle, you can position it to the center, for example, and change color right here. So click on that, and here you can pick any color you would like. I will pick yellow, I think, that's pretty good. Click OK to confirm. And now when you want to deselect your text, just go over here to this X and click it, and your text is now deselected. You can play your video back, and as you can see your text is here. So this is how easy it is to add text in Shotcut, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was valuable and helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.